Hey everyone, welcome to my new video, and today we are going to learn how we can use ultrasonic sonar sensor and ESP32 to get the distance from an object. At the very beginning we have to add the sensor, ultrasonic sonar sensor, and you will get it from the sensor list. So we have imported the sensor, and then we are going to connect the VCC to the 3V and ground to the ground port, and trigger pin to any two different output input output pin. So for this we are using pin number 2 and 4. So it's time to write the code. So at first we have to include a library called NewPing.h, and for using this library we have to import this library. So and search for the library. Yeah, so the library has been imported or installed. Now we can write the code. After including the library, we have to create object, NewPing object, let's say Sonar A, and then we have to pass the parameter NewPing, then the trigger pin and echo pin, and the last parameter is the maximum distance. Then let's write the setup function where we can serial.begin, as we are going to use the serial monitor 115200, and inside the loop we are creating an integer variable distance where we are going to store the distance. And for getting the distance we have to call a function from the object ping underscore cn. Now let's show the value to the serial monitor. Serial.print ln, and then pass the variable name. Okay, everything is done. Now let's simulate the project. Sonar. Okay, so we have made a mistake, spelling mistake. So this time it should work fine, and yeah, it is giving us some random values. So if you want to change the value manually, we have to click on the sensor, and as it is set on 400 centimeter, which exceed our max value, that's why it is giving us some random value. So if we change the value and then restart the simulation, then it should give us the right value. We want to add another sensor, so for doing this, simply click on the plus icon and then add another sensor, and I am connecting this sensor same way that I have used for the previous one. Ground for ground, this is for 3V, and right now we are for this one we are using 18 and 19, 18 for trigger and 19 for lead. So let's create another object, Sonar B, and change the pin number 18 and 19, and then let's create another variable to store the distance from the second sensor. Let's make the name distance B and distance A, and it should be Sonar B. Simply copy and paste the code and change the name from distance A to distance B, and now let's simulate. Cool. So we are getting two different values from two different sensor, and for the second sensor we are getting 0 because the distance has exceed the max value. So let's make it less than 300, and it should give us the right value. So that's how we can use Sonar Sensor and NewPing library for getting the distance from. I have provided all the code and simulation link to my YouTube video description. You will get it from my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.